So guys, the way we doing this, we're using White Claw as a mixer. Okay, I gotta peel the vodka label off this because this ain't gonna be vodka anymore. It's gonna be something new. Okay, dude, I don't know if this can work because I don't even have measurements, but I think I could get this to work. Okay, so we're going with Pink Whitney. It's the hottest thing on the internet right now. This Pink Whitney vodka.
It's pink lemonade vodka, right?
Yeah, it's a form of pink lemonade, but it's especially popular on like TikTok. Okay, guys, so this is a 1.75 liter bottle. It's a handle. So right away, I pour in.
That's a lot.
Yeah, because you need it to be good. Okay. So we have a bottle of Pink Whitney vodka in there. Now I need fruits. Okay, because we can't just have this without fruits. You need fruits in here too. And you could eat these afterwards if you could get them out. Because they will be marinated in straight vodka. That's what you're seeing. There's strawberries, lemons, raspberries, all in straight booze. Alright, so we got our fruits in. Now, we coming behind up with more booze. We go with White Claw. So
Black cherry.
This is White Claw Black Cherry, okay? I can just pop this. Don't want to break my nails.
Is it pink or is it clear?
It's clear. White Claw is clear. So guys, the way we doing this, we're using White Claw as a mixer.
Also this though.
So White Claw as a mixer. Just keep it pouring. Okay, fine. So we got a bottle of vodka, 2 White Claws, and now we coming over the top with some pink lemonade. Bang.
It's pretty.
Dude, this is pretty as hell. Oh, my cover. Grab the cover for me. You got it? Okay. This is pretty as hell. Now we just turn this upside down. And you got the fruits floating on this. What's this called?
Pink Whitney Punch.
So this is the Pink Whitney Punch. And there you have it. And this was sent us by one of you guys. Her name is Bree Wittenheimer. I think that's how you pronounce it. But look at this, man. That is so cool.
You can put it in the fridge, chill it.
Yeah, put it in the fridge, chill it, put it in the freezer all you want, you know what I mean? And just ready to go. Oh, goodness. And then afterwards, you eat the strawberries, okay? The raspberries. I mean, you could chew on the lemons too. It's totally up to you. As always, drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. Later.